So guys, I'm having this weird issue where when I try to change filament, the printer does this. Okay, nothing. I press retract, it does nothing. Now when I restart it, it says nozzle heating, but it doesn't actually start heating. Okay, where you see the temperature right here just start to go up. It just stays right there. Okay, and does nothing, and eventually just goes to finish. Not sure what's going on. I do know I was able to print something. I just can't change filament now, so I'm really not sure what's going on. I'd love some help if any of you guys have experienced this.